everyone, welcome to Thursday afternoon. I'm just adjusting the camera a little bit so you can see not so much the ceiling. Oh, never mind. I just wanted to pop on and do a really quick live demonstration to show you how you can make greeting cards for cheap as chips, really. 65 cents is what you can make a greeting card for. Really easy, really simple, and you don't need a lot of supplies. So I'm hoping that everyone is well and fine. There's a gorgeous sunny day here in Brisbane, so I hope it is nice where you are. And yeah, I just wanted to show you how to make these cheap cards. So when I turn you around, I will show you more and we'll have a close-up of them. But basically, look at these gorgeous cards. So this is using a foiled DSP. I've forgotten the name of it. Hang on a minute. It's called Painted with Love, Specialty Designer Series paper. So with our normal DSP, our normal Designer Series paper, you can get 72 cards. Hi Debbie, nice of you to be here. Out of a normal pack of DSP, you can get 72 cards from the one pack of pattern paper. Now that is amazing. So this is a Specialty Designer Series paper. There's less sheets in it. They're not double-sided like our normal pack, but you can still get a lot of cards out of this. And I've just used my scraps of my packs that I have left and made up a heap of cards. So what I might do is turn you around and I'll give you a closer look at the cards, and then I'll step through making ones. This is only going to be a really short video. I'm not going to be on here for ages. I just wanted to show people that you can make cards quite cheaply and you don't need a lot of supplies, and it's not going to cost you a lot of money. So I'm just going to turn you around now and I'll step you through making a card and then sharing the ones that I've done. Now I'm just going to make sure that that is, sorry if you moved a little bit, my stand's a little bit broken, I've noticed, and it won't stay still. So I'm just going to turn on a light here so you can see a little bit better. A couple of lights actually. Now when I turn you around like this, I can't see comments, so you're going to have to wait for me to comment later when I've turned you back around. But please leave your comments, and everyone who comments today, likes my video or shares my video, go into the draw to win a lovely little prize. And I've also got a special on Designer Series paper, so if you want to know what that special is, then hang around to the end, okay? So I'm just going to move a cord out of the way without losing you guys. Alright, so these are the cards that I've done with the Painted with Love Specialty Designer Series paper, and I've just basically cut a panel of 5 3/4 inches by 4 inches, glued it onto a card base, got a 1-inch strip of white cardstock, stamped an image in black, kept them all neutral, all the images the same. I didn't want to match colours, I didn't want too much fiddle farting around, as they say, and then just glue the sentiment on. So with this pack, I did lots and lots of different sentiments. So happy birthday, thinking of you, you're too kind, just a note, hello, let's talk soon, welcome little one. I thought the hearts was beautiful for babies, and congratulations on your new arrival, with sympathy, and it's your day, and make a wish. So huge variety there, and it's gorgeous foiled paper. I've also chosen another paper, Foil Frenzy, this pack was, and look at all these amazing cards you can get. I've just used crumb cake as the base for this. If you're commenting, thank you. I can't see them when I've turned you around, but please comment and share and like my video, and you'll go into the draw for a lovely prize. So all I need to do on these ones is just add a sentiment down the bottom, and I'd use the crumb cake cardstock and stamp in black again, and there you have a lovely pack of cards. So versatile and not a lot of fiddling around. The other ones I wanted to show you, and then I'll get on to making one, is this is our birthday delivery DSP. Now I had used this pack of paper a lot for classes and things, so I didn't have a lot left. But still, look at all these card fronts that I have waiting to just be glued onto a base. And the paper's double-sided, so you get double value for your money. So you don't have to have 6 of the one pattern. So this one, for example, it's a full 12 by 12 sheet. You cut it into 3 strips of 4 inches wide, and then trim to 5 3/4, and you get 6 card fronts out of the one piece of paper. So you can have 3 on one pattern, turn it over, 3 on the other pattern. So lots and lots of variety you can get out of the one pack of paper. And look at that, that is so cute. Like, who wouldn't love a card like that? Lots and lots of variety from our card packs. Now this one, I don't know if I actually have one. I think I'd used a lot of this sheet, so I don't have another one. Oh yes, I do there. Okay, so this paper, this was a full pattern. So I had these animals along a hill down the bottom marching, and then the rest of it was balloons. Now I'd cut parts of this out. I'd fussy cut some of the animals out. So I had a sheet of paper that had bits and pieces out of it. So I didn't let that stop me. I just turned it around and cut the pieces to fit. So as long as they were 4 by 5 3/4, I could still get a card front out of it. So lots and lots of options there for you. What I want to do is just step you through how to make one. I assume when I do my cards, a lot of people know how to make a card from scratch. That may not always be the case. So I'm just going to step you through how to make one. So this is our A4 Whisper White cardstock. Okay, all I do, grab my trimmer, and I'm not sure if this is in camera, and I don't know how I can get it in camera. If I pull this forward maybe. Okay, so you want to basically cut it in half. So to do that, now I'm an inches girl, so sorry about the inches, but you cut it at 5 7/8, which is just shy of 15 centimeters if you're metric. Okay, I'll line it up, make sure that it's flat across the guide up there, and then just cut it in half. And there we have 2 card bases. So out of a packet of Whisper White cardstock, I'm not sure how many you can get, but I know the coloured, because there's more sheets, in a pack of Whisper White cardstock, but the coloured cardstock, like the crumb cake that I've used on these cards, you can get 48 cards out of a pack of A4 paper, and the A4 paper is $14. Alright, now out of our normal designer series paper, like this, you can get 72 cards out of the one pack. So the normal designer series paper is $19.25, and that makes 72 cards. So to use all this, you need 2 packs of the A4 at $14 each. That's $28. Add your DSP on, and you've got a total of $47.25. That equates to 65 cents a card. You can't even buy them from the reject shop for that cheap. So, well, not when I went there last time. So, I mean, you can't make cards any cheaper than that. So, you get your 2 pieces. I fold it in half. I used to bring the trimmer back and score down the middle, but I went, oh, that just takes too long. So, I hold it with my nail so it's even. And then I just gently press it down, bring my bone folder in, and get a nice crisp edge. Okay, that's it. Card front ready to go. I'll do the other one. Really, really simple. For those that are joining me now, sorry I can't see your comments because I've got the phone turned around and I can't watch myself on the laptop because my son's playing an online game with a friend. So that is not going to be very good for you guys. You won't see a thing. Alright, so there the card base is ready to go. Now I'll show you the 12 by 12. This is just a sheet from that birthday delivery pack. Beautiful cakes on one side. And chef cakes and some vines on the other side. To get your 6 card fronts out of this, again, bring the trimmer in. So I cut it at 4. At 4 again. And I know I probably could cut at 5 3/4 first, but I get a bit lost sometimes when I do that, and I'm so used to doing it this way. It means more cuts, but it works for me. Now, to get your card front, I always leave a little edge around the side. So I'll bring one back to show you. So I always like a little edge around the side. So I just cut the fronts at 5 3/4. So the card bases were cut at that length. I just bring the card fronts down to 5 3/4, and then you'll get that nice even border all the way around. Alright, so then just cut them all the same. You get a little bit left over. You can use that for other little details on other things. So I don't waste anything generally. And when you're doing this, it's really therapeutic. You just sit and cut and cut and cut. A bit like fussy cutting, but without having to pay too much attention. Okay, so if you've just joined me, thank you for joining. Leave a comment, share my video, like my video, and you'll go into the draw for a little giveaway that I've got going. I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's going to be a surprise, but I will announce it later today once I've finished the video and checked all the comments. And then stay to the end because I do have a special on the DSP at the moment, so you'll want to know about that. So these are our card front pieces now. Very nice. We just grab our cards back. Oops. Simply take the panel. Oops. And this is a new glue, and it's very, very juicy. Okay. Simple so far, huh? And won't take you long at all. So if you do it in bulk, like you get a whole sheet of DSP and cut the 12 sheets up, it'll take you, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. And then same with the card bases. Then the next thing you want to do is just put a simple banner on it. Now I've already pre-stamped this one. This is just the 1 inch by 4 inches piece of Whisper White cardstock, and it simply gets glued across the bottom. I don't use dimensionals. I want to keep these cards simple, affordable, and easy for anyone to be able to do. So when you get your stash of cards, you might have to do it like maybe once a year. Make your stash of cards and you've got them in the cupboard waiting to be used. So there you go. Done. Simple, easy. Now you could fancy this up, put a ribbon on it or a contrasting trim, add some other embellishments if you want. But there you go. That's a really simple, easy card. And if I wasn't gabbing on and I had all the pieces already pre-cut, it would literally take me maybe 20 seconds to get this card done, and it's over. Okay, but what I wanted to show you as well is you can add them with envelopes in our acetate boxes that we sell. Put a nice belly band, some decoration on there. This will obviously take a little bit longer, but then you have a perfect gift for friends, family, coaches, teachers. And it's not going to cost you much money, okay? And people love handmade stuff. And these are really simple and versatile, and they appeal to everyone. So going back over the figures again, 65 cents a card. Like, that is beautiful. I'd love to get that for my birthday. It doesn't need to be all fancy. It's the thought that counts, and it's actually quite very attractive, and I really like it. So 65 cents a card. If you used our specialty DSP, like the foiled ones that I've got here, that works out to around 68 cents a card. And if you use the white DSP, because there's more, the white cardstock, because there's more sheets in a packet, it works out to something like 70 cents a card. So still well under what you can buy a card for in the shops, and they're really easy. Anyone can do it. Okay, so I'm going to turn you around now. That's my really quick demonstration. And I thought, when I thought of this and came up with this idea, I went, wow, that is really cool. How cheap is that? That's amazing. Right, I'm going to turn you back around now, and then I'll just see all the comments, and let me see. I can turn around. Wait. Oh no, my stand's broken. Here we go. My big fat hand in the way. Jeez, they're all... Oh, and I'm a little bit close now, aren't I? Let's just move back. Turn the lights off because it makes me look really, really washed out. There we go. I'll take the glasses off. No, I can't do that because then I can't see the comments. Hello, Lisa, Trish, Narelle. I don't know if I can see it. Oh, yeah. Tanya, nice of you to be here. Okay, so that was a quick, easy demonstration. Now, like I said, comment, like, and share my video, and you'll go into the draw for a little prize. I'm going to take these off now. And my DSP special is if you buy 2 packs of our Designer Series paper, I will gift you a 3rd one for free. So it won't be a specialty DSP that I gift you, but it will be a normal pack of DSP. So that special will go until the end of this coming weekend, until Sunday. So yeah, thank you for joining me, and I hope this gives you some ideas to use up your patterned paper. I buy it all the time and go, oh, it's so pretty, I don't want to cut into it, and it's too nice to use. But this hopefully will show you a really cool way to get it cut up, get it used, and don't hoard it, because we shouldn't hoard. Alright, but thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a lovely day, and this has given you a great idea. Okay, bye now.